For sale today, the 26th of September 2025, a 2001 VW T4 camper van in stealth grey. I'll just get through to the camper build first and then do a walk around and all the blurb. So there'll be a playlist at the start, at the end of this video, with every video I've had from when I've had this van. I owned it myself and then I've done this to it and now I'm selling it. So it's a full strip down when I bought it, apart from the cab. The headliner was already in, insulated, carpeted, and yeah, hand built 18mm ply, hardwood ply cabinets, bespoke built to every camper van that I build, with for want of a better word, a formica finish, alloy edging, strip there for a table. I'll include that shortly. Fridge, sink. Anyway, the bed there, 3/4 rock and roll bed, MOT compliant, 2 seat belts. I've done a little clip of the bed down I'll include, and that's with the bed out. So that's 190 by 110. So you can see from that there's a pull down section on the front that comes completely away if you need to put anything in there, storage. And at the back, I'll get around to that one out in the back door, you could probably get surfboards, small canoe under there maybe. Diesel heater there, that's fitted, and the controllers there, along with all the electrics, controller there, and a 240 volt twin outlet there, 240 volt. I'll show you where the inlet is at the back when I get round to the back of the van. And here, I can remember how to open it. Yeah, you've got a side opener window there, driver's side. Sink there with the old micro switch tap. It's got really good pressure on that. That's the water there. What I've done with that, I need to cut a new top there, I didn't do it perfectly. I've got another one of those. There'll be a strap around that, I'm waiting for the strap ratchet to ratchet that in. You can take that out and refill with the second, swap them over. It's easy to carry 10 litres of water than a big, or you could put a bigger container in there, but I'm thinking, I don't know who I'm selling the van to. Most people can carry 10 litres of water if needed. The gas drop out, gas holder, and the regulator there, it's all correctly done with the copper fittings. The pipe there is the outlet for the water. You could route that into a grey tank, leave it as it is, straight out, or collect the water underneath, either. 12 volts and 24 volt fridge. You can either switch it on for 12 volts on here, or from the back it's plugged directly in, so when you're on 24 volt that'll come on. Twin gas burner there, and a seat there you can use with a table. I'll just include the table. Actually, that's a seat toilet, I'll come to that in a minute. Just put the table on. So that's a table, it's in kit form, sort of formica, T-trimmed, drop down leg. That goes over the alloy rail there. You can adjust that forwards, backwards. This always comes out like a beige colour for some reason. In pictures it's actually grey. If you look at the floor, it's not too, in fact you've got a better look there, the closer you get. It's just slightly lighter than this grey laminate floor, plastic plank floor. And the toilet there, that's a new Thetford Porta Potty 145. I make these covers for them and put them over. So a bit of a 2 birds 1 stone there, 2 people there, or 1 here. So I think that's the back, apart from going into the cupboard here. I've done the electrics 240 coming in, again explaining that around the back of the van, and all of the 12 volt there. There's a shelf there, underneath that is a 130 amp leisure battery. So on the front, the first switch is your 4 interior lights. Second switch is an interior light in the cupboard there, if you need to get to the battery or any of the electrics. You've got 2 here, you've got 1 in the water, and 1 in the gas cupboard, and a further 3 in the back, in the rear cupboard here. 1 shelf, 2 shelf, 3 shelf, all lit up. Another drop down section in the back there, so you can go straight through with anything there. There's the diesel heater, it's an 8 kilowatt, really good power outlet on that. And that drops forward there, that's on a click system, and you can lift the bed out from there. I think I've already showed that bit where the bed's down. Basically you just there, lift it out, you don't have to move anything, the bed just comes out. Seat belts move for the bed. I think that's it for in here. And it's all new. Yeah, that's Formica on the top, and Formica on top of the unit there. And the top section there, that pulls out, and it's for any maintenance you need to do to the fridge, which will pull out, and any of that there, you can access it through that front panel there. Again, it's on the click system, pull that and it'll just remove that panel. So yeah, the 240 setup is, you've got 2 fog lights on the bumper, the one on the T4 this side is used, this one is a blank. And what I do with these is keep the hookup in there. And sold with the van, you've got a short lead there in, you've got a 240 socket there, so you could use it at home, charge the batteries if you've got a trickle charger going, or you know, your main extension lead there plugs in, and then I think that's 5 or 6 meters, and then when all done you can push that under there if needed. When all done, away, just saves cutting holes in the side of the van. Yeah, I need my GoPro back to there, so that's included with the sail. Seating area at the back there. It's the tailgate model. Another idea I'd had is it's not with this van, but I'm soon building in showers into these builds. The reason I did this, I'm moving away from sort of smaller vans and getting into the sprinters and crafters to incorporate showers, indoor, outdoor, microwaves, cookers, everything. So yeah, lovely build. So going around the van itself, it's 150,000 miles. It's had the water pump done, cam belt done, glow plugs, the diesel pump was new when I bought it, the alternator was new when I bought it. It had a category on it basically, which, I mean, this is why I buy them, they're cheaper to buy. The underneath here I had to put a new bumper on it. There was no body damage other than the belts had gone on it, so I need to put a new water pump on it, and the towing eye was pushed over, just a case of straightening it out. But doesn't matter on a vehicle this old, all said and done, it's perfect, it runs absolutely perfect, doesn't use any oil, any water, runs superb. So it's 150,000 miles and just about every part on the engine has been changed that would possibly go. You've got the captain seats there, original Inca fabric captain seats. All of the instructions there for the camper build. Little cup holders there. And I don't put any dash stuff on this, so you can see original as it is. It's good condition for a T4. Let's go around to the driver's side. Again, lovely and tidy. No dash shine or anything like that, just clean. Pretty much immaculate captain seats for a T4 when you consider how old they are. This arm here, a bit loose, but I never use that. I only ever use this one when I'm driving. It's fitted with a stereo that works, but it's not wired up. Never bothered me, I never listened to them. But the only thing from standard, the roof lining has been done. It's got sensors, 3 sensors here for the alarm, which is, it's a towed alarm. It's got central locking, which is unusual for a T4 this age. I'd imagine it was fitted. I've only ever seen electric central locking in caravels or the later long nose version T4s. Gear extender, that's essential in the T4, they're too low. So just jump in. It's got the skateboard sort of winders there. It's not something I'd do, but I quite like it, so I've left them. It's a Pioneer. You've got the red light there at the moment, the alarm's on. Click it once, you've got the green light, and then you can start it. I've already started it. I've already shown it actually running when I bought it back from my unit. So you can see that there's no lights on, and the water temperature is in the middle, and they're 150,000, which is nothing for this. The 1.9 engines are absolutely superb. A bit on order there, I didn't even recognise that. I'll cover that, and I've got a USB socket. You take one of these out, I've got a twin USB that I'll fit, and that'll just be blanked. You never use those. There's one in the back if you need it. All the fan works, all the heat controls work, all these vents are all in one piece and work. Yeah, I think that's about it. Just have a quick walk around the body. So warning triangle included there. There's a new jack and wheel brace on order. So yeah, the front number plate was new, the front bumper was new, and apart from that, it was all taken back. It was white original, and it's resprayed in 2K Ford Stealth Grey. Reconditioned wheels. I think I reconditioned the hubcaps. I think it was one missing. I bought that. Yeah, a few tiny imperfections, not much. It's all age related. Nice clean tailgate. No rust. There was no rust on this van when I bought it. Only a few little scabs. Underneath is absolutely solid. It's not been welded. All the tyres are good. You can hear the alarm there beeping because I'm walking past it. Keep doing that, the alarm will go off. It's a good example of how it works. Just release that. Yeah. You can turn the alarm on, off, or different modes. I think that's about it. If I've missed anything, it'll be on eBay. Ask any questions. I can deliver anywhere UK mainland. Doesn't matter where you are, I'll deliver free. Just need a lift back to the local train station. Okay, thanks for watching. And at the end now I'll include the playlist for the full build from when I first bought this van to listing it now.